everybody, this is Em from Scrapbooking with Me, and we do not ever do face-to-face on the camera videos. You only see our hands, me and Mom's. But we are wanting to introduce somebody very special to you. This is Erin. This is AJ. If anybody got the AJ kit, this is who picked out some of the products and helped pack the products and get them out to you. We have some shipments that have already arrived, and then we've got some international that are still waiting, but we'll be getting them very soon. This is Brandon, or B, who works in the shop and helps us get everything out and get everything together, packed up and helped shipped out with W, which is Daddy. This is little E. This is Alicia. I don't know if any of you have ever seen her picture, which not a lot of you have ever seen my picture either. But this is little E. This is my sister, and we are wanting to let you know about Erin and why you are getting the AJ kit. It is a quarterly kit that will be coming out. March was our first month, and then our next month will be June. Something very special happens with AJ in June. On June 20th of this year, he will be 21. He was born in 2000, so his birthday is very easy to remember. He goes with the year, so it's 2021. In June, on the 20th, he will be 21 years old, so that's easy to remember. So we thought that this would be a really great way to showcase him a little bit, let you know a few things about him, and you get this great journal, junk journal kind of kit, and from start to finish, Miss E will be doing a video, and Erin will be going along and helping her. The reason you don't have that video yet, though, is because our shop is on vacation. You can still shop. You can still shop on the website, but we're on vacation, just a little vacation. The first of this vacation, though, was business. We had a gospel conference, a gospel music conference at the beginning of this little event. We're still in Pigeon Forge right now. And at the end of that, when it was finished, we thought we're going to take a few days for ourselves. So that's why if you have placed orders or something like that in the last few days, you haven't got a tracking number, that's why. We'll get that all taken care of when we get back home. Anyway, that is what happened at the very beginning of our trip. We had a conference, and we can even give you links to some of the live videos that they did at the conference. Erin was showcased a couple of times in our singings. So was Bethany. I'm sorry, Bethany's right there. There's another B. Bethany is our 16-year-old, Erin's or AJ's sister. And anyway, we had a really good time at the conference. And we'll get some links down below in the description for you. If you have received your AJ kit, and I know a lot of you have, you've been posting pictures of them, and we greatly appreciate that. Erin loves seeing that, and he loves knowing how you feel about that AJ kit. And we want you to keep posting those pictures of your AJ kit, because people that didn't get it this month might see that and go, I really want it for June. And we want to offer even more kits for June. Erin, now let's get to him. His story. If you got an AJ kit, you got the letter that tells a little bit about him. If you did not, you might think, why are they featuring their son in a scrapbooking or junk journaling kit? Well, we just thought it would be a great way to showcase him a little bit. When he was 6 years old, we had to take him to the University of Birmingham, Alabama, Birmingham, to have some testing done. He was not speaking, he was not potty trained. I mean, just lots of milestones that you think that a 6-year-old would already be doing. He just wasn't doing it. So we took him to have some testing done, failed all the tests, and he was actually considered on the mental capacity of an 18-month-old. He has autism. He has an expressive receptive language disorder, which just means that his brain works a little bit slower to comprehend what you're talking about and how to answer what you're talking about. So everyday conversation that would be easy for us is a little bit harder for him to comprehend. So anyways, we've worked with him over the years. He's just leaps and bounds went over and above what we thought that he would do in his life, because they had told us, just take him home and make him comfortable. And, you know, put him in therapy. Or you can put him in school, but he might not ever talk. He might not ever show affection. He might not ever give eye contact. Well, he is the poster child for miracles, because he does. He leads our singing at church. He will give you the biggest, best bear hugs ever. If we ever have a meet and greet, y'all will love it.
And watch out if we do that, yeah.
Because he will give you the biggest bear hugs ever. He loves shaking hands. This whole COVID thing has really messed him up because he can't do that. But he loves showing affection. He loves giving you eye contact straight on and talking to you and trying his best to carry on a conversation with you. He did really good at the conference this past week.
Yeah.
Really good with talking with people and people approaching him. And you know, usually when you hear autism, you think, they're not very social and they don't want to talk to you. He's total opposite, and that's a total God thing, that he's total opposite. But he will be helping Miss E, with the video for the AJ kit that you just received in March. And he's going to be helping with how to put the junk journal together, maybe making a few little things on the side while Miss E is putting it together to put inside the junk journal. He just wanted to be a part. You know, we've got really the whole family helping with scrapbookingwithme.com, and we just wanted Aaron to be able to have a little part in it too, and get him just a tiny bit of money on the side too.
Yeah, he likes that money. That's what you
I do.
So we just wanted to come to you, let you know just a little bit of his story, let you know why we are featuring him in a kit, an exclusive kit, through scrapbookingwithme.com, and we wanted to let you know why you haven't gotten the tutorial video yet. We're taking a little siesta vacation of sorts, and we will be home the end of this week, and they will be working on that tutorial video and getting it to you. So anyway, just wanted to come to you and let you know that. Anybody else got anything to add? You tell them, say, be watching for our video.
Watching for video.
Yeah.
Thanks for everybody. Appreciate your support.
Yes.
And we love doing what we do for you, and we hope you'll just continue.
Yeah. We had 40 kits offered this month for March. All 40 sold out in 2 days.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And it has for those that haven't gotten it yet, I won't give it all away.
Don't do that.
But it has lots and lots of hand-dyed papers in it. We had friends coming in and hand-dyeing papers for y'all for this kit. So not only that, it's got a lot more stuff to go too. So y'all have a great evening. We will see you shortly, the end of this week, for a tutorial video. Y'all have a great day. God bless you. Bye.
Bye.